Hi guys, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss how the search engine works. To explain the search engine working, I have drawn one diagram. So let's start. At the left side, we have user. User has opened the browser in its system or device. It could be desktop, laptop, mobile, tablet. And the user has entered some keyword in the browser. Once user enter the keyword, browser send those keyword to the search engine to get the result. Once search engine receives the query request for those keyword, search engine takes the help of search algorithm to perform the search. The search algo will perform the search in the search index for those keywords and get the response. And that response is given to the search engine. Once search engine get the response, it checks if response is blank or it is having some records. If the response is not blank, it is having some records, then search engine will give the result or those records to the ranking algorithm to perform the ordering of the results. Ordering means which record will be at the top, then at second, then third, then fourth position, so on. This is called the ranking of the results. Ranking algorithm perform the ordering of the results and then give it to the search engine. Once search engine get the ordered result, then it gives to the browser and browser displays those record to the user. If the response written by the search algorithm is empty, then search engine directly give it to the browser to display no record found. Here you can see I have searched for the cricket websites and I have got these results for the cricket websites. ICC website is at the top, then BCCI website at second, then this Cricinfo is third, then cricket.com is fourth. You can see multiple records are present. Which website would be at the top or which record would be at the top, that is decided by the ranking algorithm, which we discussed. So this is how the query is performed in the browser. Now next is the from where the search index get the data. Search index is the huge database which contains the record of millions of websites. In the background, search engine runs the process of indexing the website data. This process is called web crawling, and this process is taken care by the spider, which is also called web crawler. Web crawling contains 3 steps: crawling, rendering, and indexing. So first, spider or crawler starts the crawling of the website. In crawling, the crawler visits the website and download its content. Then rendering process is triggered. In the rendering process, the JavaScript, CSS present on the web page are downloaded and applied on the page to get the rendered page. Then the indexing process is triggered. In the indexing, crawler gets some data from the rendered page, data like title, description, image details, and save in the search index. This is how the website data is saved in the search index. The process of web crawling I also explained in the other video. This is the video. This is the video web crawling. You can go through this also. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.